Do you want to make your living space stylish, trendy, and beautiful? Watch this video now.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are the first time here and you love design, don't forget to subscribe.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Have you ever hung a frame not in the right place? We have developed the ultimate designer's toolkit. The only thing you need to do is grab yourself a free copy on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and... perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality. Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Support this channel with a like and subscribe. Thanks for being with us. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the Designer's Toolkit from our website, designercheatsheet.com.